Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom a long shot, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is something that has a very small chance of succeeding. They were all enjoying the day out at the horse racing. I'm going to put a bet on that horse. It's a long shot, but if it comes in, I'll be rich. Here are some more examples, this time in social situations. The man can't move on from the woman he met on holidays. I'm going to try find her. It's a long shot, but I'll start with social media. When the big match began, they put bets on with one another. I'll take the underdog. I know it's a long shot, but you've to pay me double if I win. He asks his parents to buy him a car. I know it's a long shot, but would you buy me a car if I do really well in my exams? Here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The employees speak about the managerial vacancy. Are you going to apply for the manager's job? I don't know. It's a bit of a long shot, isn't it? He tried to arrange an appointment with the CEO. I know he's a busy man, but could you arrange a meeting for me? I don't know. It's a long shot, but I'll try. The candidate running for a political seat lost by a landslide. It was no surprise when she lost, as her candidacy was a long shot from the beginning. Where did you hear the expression, a long shot? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.